Okay, welcome back, and today we're going to be discussing the operation of stepper motors. I'm going to be doing just a little bit of a demonstration. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so stepper motors have an arrangement kind of like this, except on a much bigger scale to produce a finer resolution. So here we have a rotor that is consisted of magnet. It's kind of like this. So we have the north on one end and south on the other. This is the south end. Then we have this rotor piece that goes over it, I believe, or that's what my tutorial said, and that's how I learned it. So then this piece has these things on it, these little spikes, I guess, if you want to call it. And then here we have motor set, wow. You have coil set B, coil set A here. So coil set A, when you apply, let's just say when you apply positive over here, negative over here, this coil is north with that south, so they align here. Now these are south. Based on the opposite poles repel, we know that these want to try to get away from this, so this disaligns here. Now if you turn this off, this wouldn't rotate unless you have something on the end. But then if you turn on this set B, you can then, with set B powered on, you can then get a north here and a south here, and the rotor will rotate this way in that direction, so these will align and these will disalign. So that is basically what we're going to be doing with the stepper motor today. So let's get started on that, and we just have A and B, and basically after you do that, you switch the polarity here, and then you have, so this rotate this way, these are now half aligned, so now these are north and these are south. These are north and then those are south, so those will disalign and these will align. So that is basically what we're going to be doing today. So let's take a look at that with the stepper motor. Okay, so here I have a NEMA 17 stepper motor. It says it has a voltage of either 2.4 or 2.7, but I'm going to be running it off of a single cell of this LiPo battery. That way we get a fairly low voltage. The highest the voltage should be is, say, 4 volts. So I'm going to hook that up here. Okay, so we have this negative wire connected up to here for negative, and then here we have motor set, coil set A and coil set B here. So I'm going to go ahead and basically do what I had described on the whiteboard. So then hook it up to just another cell, and then keep in mind this is a bipolar stepper motor, and this shouldn't be done with a unipolar, I don't think. I have not tried it, but I wouldn't do it because this is a bipolar setup. So if you listen carefully, I don't know if you heard that, but there's a little jolt as this locked into place. Now this is a very firm shaft now because it is locked in place with the coils. So now if we take these wires, transfer them to coil B, it'll rotate. Now I believe you reverse the polarity and just go back and forth. Oh, I saw it move a little bit. Then switch them over again. It rotates a little bit every time. Now, I don't know what the steps are on this, what the step size is, but you should be able to figure that out with the data sheet. Now that I've disconnected the wires, the shaft can turn freely. So that is basically what how a stepper motor works. Now with that, you can, if you switch them back and forth really fast, you can get this to turn fairly quickly. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put a big disc on here, that way you can see it turn. Put a little mark, and yeah, let's see how that works. Okay, now I have a piece of balsa wood hot glued on top here. I'm going to basically do the same thing that I was doing, and I'm just going to kind of time lapse this a little bit, and I'm going to be reversing these poles, like going back and forth on these poles, and you should be able to watch this turn. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you learned a little bit of something. And go out there, build something like this, test it out, explore new things, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.